Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unwrap this. This one is the 9006 and 9005 LED headlights kit combination bulbs, 11,000K high and low being super bright white color. So yeah, I got this out of eBay for a good price and free shipping plus tax. So the reason I got this set is because for the 2010 Toyota Corolla. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. Although it's a good price, I don't think they come with the box and everything. So hopefully it's not damaged during delivery. Anyway, let's go and then open this up and see. So right here is your LEDs. I see like 2, 4, 6 on each side. So all the bulbs are the same, so So I'm not sure which is which, so hopefully the seller did not send the same one. It's supposed to be a high and low beam. Anyway, this is just a quick unwrapping for this bulbs. I'll need to contact the seller how you determine which is which. Alright, so we're going to install the LED bulbs on this vehicle and test them out. I'm going to install on one side and see the difference. So I'm going to unload the car. I'm going to pop the hood. There's a latch right here. Well, let me turn on the light for you right now to check it out. So as you can see, the left hand side or the passenger side is working, but not the driver's side. When you turn on the high beam, and it's working. So this is a high beam, low beam. The low beam is broken. So we're gonna open the hood. There's a latch right here. Just lift it up. That latch right there, just lift it up and open it up. And then pull up the hood rod right there. So it's kind of tight space right here. You see that plug right there? Where they press the tab that's on the bottom and then push downward to disengage the plug. So the engine is kind of hot And if you cannot get it, you want to go ahead and use like a flathead screwdriver to press down that lever right there on the bottom. Press it down and unplug it. So low beam's right there. High beam is the one with the black plug right here. Okay. There you go. And you're gonna rotate this clockwise and then pull it out straight. So this one's broken. So there you go. Now we're gonna get a new bulb. So some of the sellers said that 9006 and then 9005 is the same, but I told her I think the 9006 is the high beam one. So let's put it in there and see. So again, you're gonna push in. Make sure the black tab is sitting all the way in like that, and rotate it clockwise to lock it back in. There you go. And we're gonna plug that plug back in and test it out. There you go. Now we're gonna turn the light back on and test it out. Now it's just a parking lot. Wow, look at that. That is a new LED bulb. And that's an old one. So this is just a low beam. You see the difference? And this is what it look like inside the car. As you can see, the left hand side is more bright, and then the right hand side is more like an amber. And this is what it look like with both light bulb being changed. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Always peace.